How to fix Instagram notes not showing on Android. So for this, you have to go ahead and open your Instagram first and foremost. So I will show you what is a note feature. So for this, you have to tap on the DM section of your Instagram, and at the top you will see note. So right here you can simply go ahead and share your thought and anything that you like. For an example, I've written ice cream right here for an example. Then tap on share. You can also share a video note now. So how can one get this feature? For this, head back from here and press and hold your Instagram application and head to App Info. Force stop your application. Then tap on OK. Head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. On to the next step, you have to open your Play Store and search for Instagram. Then tap on Instagram, and if there is an update, simply leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Also make sure that your system is up to date. For that, open your phone setting, scroll down, then tap on System Update. If there is any update left, make sure you will update your device or system. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.